Hi everyone, today I am presenting StrategyDAO. It converts prediction market probabilities into structured on-chain DeFi strategies. Instead of reacting emotionally to macro headlines, this project builds an autonomous AI agent that continuously monitors prediction markets and transforms collective intelligence into confidence-weighted capital allocation decisions. In simple terms, we let markets predict the future and we let AI execute on it. Today, DeFi is highly reactive. Traders respond to emotionally to breaking macro news, Fed decisions, inflation prints, stock market crashes, and this leads to whipsaw trades and inconsistent positioning. At the same time, macro data is fragmented across different platforms. Single prediction market lacks statistical confirmation. There is no automated system that bridges macro prediction markets like Polymarket with actual DeFi execution. But here's the opportunity. Prediction markets already aggregate collective intelligence. When thousands of participants price in the probability of a Fed hike or a stock market decline, that probability becomes a high forwarding looking macro signal. My system treats these probabilities not as betting opportunities but as structured macro data inputs for systematic capital allocation. The core innovation is something I call multi-market signal fusion. Instead of relying on a single market prediction, the AI agent combines multiple independent markets to validate a macro thesis. For example, if the Fed hike probability is 80% and the stock market decline probability is 70%, those signals reinforce each other. The agent interprets this as an off-risk environment, likely capital rotation and increased crypto volatility. It then generates a DeFi strategy such as increasing stablecoin allocation, hedging exposure, and optimizing yield. But here's the key. If two markets contradict each other, for example, a Fed hike but stocks rally, the agent detects micro inconsistency and cancels the strategy. This reduces false positives and increases execution confidence. So instead of guessing, we statistically confirm. The system operates in 5 layers. First, the data layer pulls live probability streams from Polymarket and normalizes them. Second, the AI interpretation layer translates macro signals into crypto-native positioning logic and assigns confidence scores. Third, the strategy engine generates structured and DeFi outputs like stablecoin rotation, matrices, yield optimization paths, liquidity positioning, and risk hedging rules. Fourth, the validation layer. Paper trades and backtest strategies, rejecting anything below a defined confidence threshold. Finally, the on-chain publishing layer stores the final strategy and its confidence score permanently on-chain, enabling DAO execution and full transparency. So the system is autonomous, validated, and verifiable. This project transforms collective intelligence into actionable DeFi strategies. It removes emotional biases from macro positioning, it filters noise through cross-market validation, and most importantly, it builds a systematic bridge between macroeconomics and DeFi execution, two domains that currently disconnected. Long term, this can evolve into a strategy DAO, an autonomous macro-driven asset allocator, or even a prediction-informed DeFi hedge fund logic layer. The end vision is simple: capital allocation driven by probabilities, validated by AI, and executed transparently on chain. Thank you. Let's move forward with the demo. Dashboard of the website. As you can see, StrategyDAO. So you will be needing edge tokens in your wallet to see the different kind of tiers. There are multiple tiers. As you can see, there are 4 tiers to be precise. Whale: when the user holds more than 10,000 edge tokens, 10,000 or more, he can instantly see the strategies. He will have the priority support and some exclusive stuff only for the whale. Then there is the dolphin, which means that user particularly holds 1,000 or more than 1,000 edge tokens. They'll get access to different strategies within 24 hours. 24 hours early access and the priority support for them too. And there are governance voting and community access to these users. Then there is shrimp. Shrimp users are the ones who hold 100 or more than 100 edge tokens. they will have the access to all the strategies within 48 hours, and they'll have a standard support and community access and some kind of the strategy alerts when the strategies are available. Then here comes the free tier, where the public in the free tier can have access to different strategies after 72 hours. There is a delayed access, and there is community support, of course, and the basic features as they can use. So how to access work? There are time-based unlocking. Each strategy is published with the tier-based time locks. Higher tiers unlock strategies earliest, giving them competitive edge in DeFi markets. Automatic access. Your tier is automatically calculated based on your edge token balance. No staking required, just hold your tokens in your wallet. Instant updates. Your tier updates real time as your token balance changes, increasing your holdings to upgrade to a higher tier instantly. Strategy quality. All the tiers receive the same high quality AI generated strategies. The only difference is timing. Early access means better opportunities. So let's let's connect our wallet first. Let's go here, let's connect MetaMask, and I'll start with the free tier. As you can see, I've connected here. Let's click on connect. So here it is. As you can see, in this wallet there are 0 edge tokens, so my balance is 0, and I'm getting the free tier access. In the strategies, here all the strategies are seen. Here you can see my tier is the public, means the free one, and I can access these strategies after 72 hours, in which 10 hours have been done already. So after 62 hours and 26 minutes, I'll be able to see all these strategies that are locked for me right now. Now if I switch my wallet with another one, as you can see, this wallet holds 100 edge tokens. I have connected my wallet, and here my tier has been updated to shrimp, as you can see, and in the shrimp I can have access to all the strategies within 48 hours. So now after 48 hours I will get access to all these strategies instantly. Now let's change this to as you can see, here I am holding 1000 edge tokens here, as you can see. So, and my tier has been updated to dolphin, where users can have the access to different strategies within 24 hours. As here you can see, 24 hours have been completed for this particular strategies. So I'm able to see the strategy. There are micro implications, strategy recommendations, and action plans which you can see. And then clicking on view on Polymarket, you can see that particular prediction market on the Polymarket too. It takes you there directly, as you can see, and all the data have been here based on different evaluations and different methods that we have been using through AI agent. Now let's move ahead with the one last final tier, that's the whale tier. Let's get here and connect wallet. As you can see, this wallet holds 10,000 edge tokens, and here it is, tier updated to whale, where I have access to all the strategies instantly. Here it is. As you can see, all the strategies are visible to me instantly, and here are the risk tier of different prediction markets. Then there are macro implications, strategic recommendation, and a DeFi action plan. As you can see, clicking on this takes you to that particular market on Polymarket. And here are the live predictions. These are real-time monitoring of prediction markets from Polymarket. How does it work? Our agents continuously monitors prediction markets on Polymarket, analyzing probability shifts and market signals. When significant opportunities are detected, the agent generates actionable DeFi strategies based on those micro implications. So this is it for the demo. Thank you.